So here it is, a tool I've been working on the past few days. It's a flip top tool stand. Got my Dewalt saw on top. Dewalt planer on the bottom. There's the old saw stand I used to use, junk. But I have not tested it. I wanted to have a video, that way if it fails, I can have it fail on video. I think it'll be alright. I printed these knobs on the 3D printer. I designed them. So basically what's going to happen is I've got half-inch dowel, steel dowels going about 8 inches in. And that's the pivot. And here we go, see if thing's balanced or not. So far so good. Seems alright. Kind of hard to do this while I'm filming, but there we go, man. I turn it, just barely hold it with one finger. Lock one into place. And we gotta lock the other three. Now I got the planer ready to go. Got 5-inch casters under there. And those are the only bolts in this entire thing, except for the bolts that hold the saws, and everything else is glued. And then I've got actually a couple of nails right there, and that's it. No bolts anywhere else. Solid as a rock. I end up putting some arms right here. It'll fold out. And I also designed it so that when the saw is on top, I made it to where the edges perfectly aligned with my saw table. Anyways, it's kind of hard, but sketched it all up in SketchUp and then put it together.